Bodofa Students' Day, Chhatra Diwas, is observed annually on March 31st in Assam to commemorate the birth anniversary of Upendra Nath Brahma, the former president of the All Bodo Students' Union, ABSU, known as Bodofa Guardian of the Bodos. Recognized by the Assam government since 2023, it honors his immense contributions to education, unity, and social reform for the Bodo community and youth empowerment. Key details of the observance. Significance: celebrates the legacy of Bodofa Upendra Brahma, who was born on March 31, 1956, and advocated for education, discipline, and non-violence. Main events: the central program is held at his burial site at Thulungapuri, Dotma, in the Kokrajhar district, featuring floral tributes, discussions, and student meetings. Widespread celebration: the day is marked across the Bodoland Territorial Region, BTR, and in educational institutions throughout Assam. Youth focus: the occasion urges students to embrace his ideals of leadership, cultural pride, and peaceful progress. The 70th birth anniversary was celebrated in 2026.
The demands of the Bodo leaders were as unrelenting as they were belligerent.
The basic truth is that this Assam government, its officials, bureaucrats, ministers, policemen, all are anti-tribal. So whatever these economic package or developmental schemes are sorted out or chalked out, this cannot be sincerely implemented in true sense. So this implementation is not possible under this anti-tribal government and its bureaucrats. So that is why the solution is the separation, the division of Assam, and creation of separate state of Bodoland.
The central and state governments categorically refused further division of Assam, but agreed to a series of tripartite talks to defuse the volatile situation. The AGP state government, however, insisted that the then Congress government in the centre was encouraging the Bodos to the path of violence. They alleged certain central intelligence agencies of instigating the Bodo leaders to score political points against the state.
It is not true, it is baseless one. I have been protesting these things. This is not true at all. And Mr. Mohanto, he has a sense in his words now. He himself has said that Roe has dissociated from ABSU now. He said, and Roe did not associate us earlier also. We protested in yesterday's talk. He could not produce any document also. He charged that it is Roe spent 3 crores of rupees in ABSU movement or like that.
No, unfortunately, these money that is spent or, these things are not documented. So you obviously will not have receipts or thing, but...
No. How it can be proved? This is not true at all. This is not true.
In this atmosphere of charge and counter-charge, a moot point remained. The tribals in Assam were alienated and a new dimension had been added to Assam's turbulent politics. The Bodo agitation directly affects only one Lok Sabha seat, yet it was obvious to the National Front government, which replaced the Congress eye in the centre, as the tripartite talks continued, that the solution could be found only if genuine grievances of the tribals were addressed to. Meanwhile, however, the Bodo leaders were adamant that nothing short of Bodo land was acceptable to them.
And our thing is very much clear, except Bodo land we are not going to accept.
Bodo land is the only thing that you're going to accept?
Yes.
And if Bodo land is not given to you?
There will be, it is a struggle.
For how long?
Continuously. Till it is accepted. Yes, we are ready to fight.
And how will you fight?
We'll have to manage.
Will you have violence?
Anything else?
Will you go underground?
Not that. Not that.
Will you take help of countries bordering India?
No. No. We don't have society.
So your fight will be within the Constitution of India and within the Constitution
yes,
of
definitely. Definitely. We are very much democratic and constitutional. We are demanding only the constitutional provision of